Now we're cleaning a carpet, and they do have a bunch of cats and a dog, and we've already cleaned under the piano. We did that off camera because it's awkward.
Nobody wants to see that on video.
No, you don't want to see it.
It's kind of hard.
It's like a light frise carpet. It's not a real heavy weave, it's a real light. And it is a grayish color. And see, he's picking up. We're finding embedded pet fur.
Well, we always tell all the customers, no matter how good you vacuum, we'll pull something that the vacuum can't get. Because this thing goes a lot more aggressive than a vacuum cleaner. But when you got pets and stuff, you're gonna have hair in your house. That's just part of it.
Now we always recommend to customers after we've cleaned, when the carpet's fully dry, is a good time to vacuum your carpets again, because you'll probably pick up a lot more debris than you usually do, because this digs down and you have stuff embedded down on the mat of the down at the base of the carpet. And most vacuum cleaners, they're not. If you had a vacuum cleaner that was aggressive enough to get that stuff, it would tear your carpets apart over time. So carpets have to have a compromise. If they're too aggressive, they destroy the carpet fibers. So they don't deep clean as well as some people might think they do. And some people have like a Kirby or something like that is known for getting deeper into the carpets. But again, if they're overly aggressive, you'll destroy the carpet fibers. So there has to be a balance somewhere. So it is good to get your carpets cleaned routinely, just to get that stuff that vacuum cleaners are going to miss. And you can see, here's the problem. And they got a couple big babies, and they love to be on the carpet. So, all right, you can see there's pieces of carpet, there's pieces of fur coming up everywhere.
That's good. That's a sign that it's getting it down deep. That's what they want. That's what customers are paying for. A deep clean.
And of course, we're trying to. It's starting to become winter time here, and it's getting colder. We still hope the carpets will be dry in about an hour. Sometimes it takes a little bit longer if it's especially muggy out. If the air is completely saturated,
right now.
Yeah, the more saturated the air is, the longer it takes to dry. This is still a lot faster than it's going to be if you use a traditional extractor. We only did this living room and then a bedroom carpet, which will just give you a glimpse in there. Yeah. Now this machine isn't just spinning around, it's an orbital motion, so what it's doing is able to scrub all sides of the fiber as it goes by. It's doing a motion that is more aggressive than just rotating. Don't know how it's going to show up in here because of the color and the lighting, but
these carpets are so nice that it's hard to see how clean they are, because normally we do really trash carpets that are white with black all over them, and these guys take care of their carpets. So some customers really care about their property, and they don't let it get nasty. This is a nice carpet. We know we're cleaning it.
It's a 3-year-old carpet, basically, about 3.
No, it's actually about a year and a half.
Okay, about a year and a half. So if you want your carpets to last, make sure you vacuum frequently, and then routine cleaning helps
3 times a week.
Pick up a lot of stuff. Another thing with the when you get pet fur and it's embedded in the carpet, the stuff your vacuum misses, it also traps the oils from their skin, and you also have the odors and stuff go with the fur. So getting that out of the carpet can help bring down the odor
Now,
issues and stuff you may be having.
customers have asked us before, what's the best vacuum for me to use? And the answer to that is the one that you will use. Don't get something that you don't want to put on the closet because it's too cumbersome.
There's some really inexpensive vacuums out there that actually do a pretty good job, and there's some expensive ones that aren't that great. So you just kind of, if there's one that you like that you'll use frequently, that's the best one.
That's the one to buy. The one that you'll use 3 times, 4 times a week.
All right, he's just about done here.
Yeah, we're finished.
I'm going to show you, see the whole big scene here. And that's about all there is to this one. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.